of you have an entryway that's a little bit messy. You walk in the door, you drop your keys, kick off your shoes, drop the mail. Maybe it's a lot messy. Lucky for you, I have some great ideas to get everything organized and looking stylish. I love the idea of utilizing the wall for extra function to save floor space. Installing floating shelves is a great way to add function and style. Make sure that your shelves are securely fastened. Either find studs or use heavy load anchors. I love multi-purpose spaces, so you could also add bins or baskets. Bins work great to store things like extra envelopes and stamps or small packages. I'm taking a traditional cabinet knob and attaching it to the wall to act almost like a hook. It can hold a purse or a hat or even your keys. Get your mail sorted with a hanging mail organizer. Not only will this keep mail off all your surfaces, but this way you'll never lose that bill or important piece of mail again. It took me less than an hour to completely transform this space. Now it looks great and is totally functional.